morning to all my students. Here is Kaushalya Rajpurohit and today we are going to start our new chapter. Chapter number 8, MOM in the orbit. So do you know what it is? Have you heard of it? Have you seen the movie Mangal, that is Mangalyaan, or what is that is Akshay Kumar's movie which is on the Mangal Graha, or you can say the Mars orbit? It is related to that, right? So the story of satellite being launched in the orbit of Mars. What is Mars? Mars is the planet right near to the Earth. It is also famously known as Red Planet. So this chapter will tell us how Mars we just sent a satellite in the orbit of the Mars, right? And it gives us, how did it give us information? A lot of information about what is the planet, what is the climate of the planet, did it have water, anything or everything, right? So for this we wanted a satellite to be launched in the orbit of the Mars, but it was not an easy task. There were so many problems, right? And we have to overcome. So this is the chapter which will tell us how did it happen, right? So now first of all we'll see the new words and then we'll go for the chapter. Now here are the new words. Harbor. What is harbor? Give a home or shelter to. Harbor is to give someone a home or shelter. किसी को shelter देना, किसी को रहने के लिए जगह देना is harbor. Harbor, give a home or shelter to. Second, ISRO. What is ISRO? ISRO is Indian Space Research Organization, the organization which works related to the space works. All works are done by Indian Space Research Organization. Indian Space Research Organization is short form of Indian Space Research Organization is also ISRO. Elliptical. What is elliptical? Having an oval shape. See, we have a round shape and we have an oval shape. It is like an egg, right? Have you seen egg? Egg is not exactly round. It is ellipse, right? So elliptical, that is having an oval shape. Thrust. Push suddenly or violently in specified direction. So you have to push something. When something is pushed suddenly and violently, that means with full speed. जब हम किसी को बहुत स्पीड से push करते हैं, that is called thrust. And in the specified direction, that is in the direction we want the thing to move. See, suppose I have a bottle, right? And I want the bottle to go there. So I will push suddenly and violently. That means I will push it with great speed, and it will go in the direction which I want. So that is called thrust. On tender hooks. That means worried or nervous, right? Humble, not special or important, right? Something that is not special or important, humble. Spaceport, base from which spacecrafts are launched, right? Spacecraft, you know what are spacecraft? So spacecrafts are launched from a base, right? As we have airports, as we have railway station for the trains, airports for aeroplanes. Similarly, we have spaceports for the spacecrafts. Simultaneously, that is at the same time. At the same time, when two things happens at the same time, exact same time, then they are said to be happen to be simultaneously, that is at the same time. So we will see the new words one more time. Harbor, give a home or shelter to. When we give home or shelter to someone, we say that harbor. ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. So Indian Space Research Organization is the organization which works on spacecraft, satellites, or anything related to aeronautics. Elliptical, having an oval shape. Thrust, push suddenly or violently in specified direction. On tender hooks, worried or nervous. Humble, not special or important. Spaceport, base from which spacecrafts are launched simultaneously at the same time. Now we'll go for the chapter, but before going to the chapter, I'm going to ask you one thing. So see, they have asked us, imagine that aliens have landed on Earth. What do you think they look like? Draw a picture and assign them to the name. So this you can do in your rough notebook, right? So if aliens come on the earth. So what are aliens? Aliens are, you can say, the living organism that live on the different planet other than earth. अर्थ के ऊपर जो लिविंग बींग है उनको छोड़ के जो दूसरे प्लैनेट्स पे लिविंग बींग्स हैं वो सब हमारे लिए क्या होंगे? एलियन. सो इफ एलियन कम्स, हाउ वुड दे लुक? हैव यू इमेजिन? So you can do it in your copy. Okay, now we are going to start our chapter. So MOM in orbit. What is MOM? Mars Orbiter Mission. So it is a short form for Mars Orbiter Mission. That is the mission which was, or which, what was the mission? The mission to space, to put a satellite in the orbit of the Mars is called Mars Orbiter Mission. So we will see how did it happen and what were the problems or obstacles that were being overcome to do it. Okay. Artificial satellites like Mars Orbiter Mission. Now listen to me. What is satellite? What is satellite? A satellite is a heavenly body that revolves around a planet, right? We have a natural satellite moon. Earth का natural satellite moon है जो Earth के around revolve करता है. That is natural satellite. But what are artificial satellites? Artificial satellites are the satellite made by humans which revolve around the planet. जैसे कि हमारे अर्थ के अराउंड बहुत सारे आर्टिफिशियल सैटेलाइट्स हैं जो हमने लॉन्च किए हैं, जो हमको बहुत सारी, जो हमारा इंटरनेट चलता है, the live telecast we see in the TV, or we have weather forecast, everything is due to this satellite. So artificial satellites are the satellites which are being launched by the human beings, right? स्पेशल सैटेलाइट्स, देयर आर स्पेशल वेदर फोरकास्टिंग के लिए स्पेशल होता है, जो टीवी चैनल्स हम इतने सारे देखते हैं, दैट इज ऑल्सो थ्रू द हेल्प ऑफ सैटेलाइट, राइट? यू हैव सीन द गूगल मैप. व्हेन यू सर्च इन अ गूगल मैप यू कैन सी एनीथिंग, राइट? कोई भी स्पेस आप नेम सर्च करोगे, एग्जैक्ट चीज का जो स्पेस का जो उसका जो फोटो होता है वो हमको सैटेलाइट व्यू दिखता है ना. सो दिस आर ऑल बिकॉज दिस आर्टिफिशियल सैटेलाइट. सो वी हैव लॉन्च्ड अ लॉट of satellites around the earth, but this is the mission to launch such artificial satellite in the orbit of a moon. Orbit of the moon क्या होता है? देखो, see, every planet have its gravitational force that you have learned in the science. So gravitational force होता है, वो क्या करता है? अर्थ की तरफ या कोई भी planet की तरफ कोई भी थिंग को अट्रैक्ट करता है. Suppose I have a thing, then if I skip or if I just don't hold it, it will fall down, right? क्यों fall down होती है? Because of the gravitational force. तो orbit क्या होता है कि orbit is the space where the gravitational force is, मतलब किस बैलेंस में होता है, right? जहाँ पर हमारा जो, अगर हम स्पेस का जो भेजेंगे, अगर कोई सैटेलाइट भेजेंगे तो वो रिवॉल्व करने लगेगा ऑटोमेटिकली. वो ऑर्बिट होता है अर्थ के. जैसे कि मून ऑर्बिट एक ऑर्बिट में ही घूमता है, एक सर्कल में, उस सर्कल में या लूप में ही हमारा जो मून है वो अर्थ के अराउंड रिवॉल्व करता है. वैसे ही हमको क्या करना था? वी हैव टू सेंड अ सैटेलाइट विच विल रिवॉल्व अराउंड द मार्स, आर्टिफिशियल सैटेलाइट. और वो हमको क्या इंफॉर्मेशन देगा? इट विल गिव अस इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द मार्स, राइट? जो मार्स के बारे में, इफ विल सेंड द सैटेलाइट, इट विल जस्ट, एंड इट हैव डिफरेंट कैमरास एंड ऑल, एंड इट विल टेक द फोकस ऑन द मार्स, राइट? ये रिवॉल्व करता रहेगा और मार्स के लिए, जो मार्स के बारे में जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन है वो हमको यहाँ पर हमारी कंट्री में या अर्थ पे मिलेगी. सो दिस इज द रीजन वी नीडेड टू लॉन्च अ आर्टिफिशियल सैटेलाइट. गॉट इट? सो आर्टिफिशियल सैटेलाइट्स आर द सैटेलाइट दैट आर लॉन्च्ड बाय ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, लाइक, और उसका एक एग्जांपल है मार्स ऑर्बिटर मिशन. आर द ऑब्जेक्ट वी प्लेस इन द ऑर्बिट अराउंड द प्लैनेट, राइट? Satellite can be useful in lots of ways. Communication satellites help us talk over the phone, watch TV, use internet, and weather satellites help us predict the weather and sometimes prepare for natural disasters. So there are different types of satellites and they work differently. Like first is communication satellite. Communication satellite help us to talk, बात करने के लिए on phone, right? Because we have wireless phones, right? So how do we communicate? How do we use internet? All this is because of communication satellite. TV, watch TV or use internet. There are weather satellites that forecast the weather. जो हमारा weather forecasting होता है उसकी help, वो हमको weather satellite की help से होता है. And sometimes also prepare for natural disaster. What are natural disasters? Natural disasters are the natural, you can say, problems which happens like earthquake, or you can say tsunami, तो बाय टेकिंग द पिक्चर्स वी कैन जस्ट फोरकास्ट, हम उसको प्रेडिक्ट कर सकते हैं कि शायद हो सकता है, राइट? जैसे कि अगर है ना देर इज सुनामी इज टू बी कमिंग, देन तो जो हमारा सैटेलाइट है वो पहले ही फोटो से हमको बता देता है कि देर इज समथिंग इन द ओशन एंड इट मे बी सुनामी। फिर उस पर रिसर्च करके हम फोरकास्ट कर सकते हैं, प्रेडिक्ट कर सकते हैं। सो दिस आर रियली हेल्पफुल फॉर अस। The satellite placed in the orbit around Mars will send us photographs and information about the climate, the presence of the water and the natural environment of the planet. See, this is, you can see the Mars, okay? Now this is the orbit, this is elliptical, right? It is oval in shape, and if I launch a satellite, you can see here the picture. If I launch the satellite, it will move around this, right? ये इसके around move करेगा, and what will it do? It will send photographs, information about the climate, the presence of water and natural environment of the planet. उसके बारे में इतना सारा information will get with this satellite. With this information, scientists will be able to find out more about how planets are formed, right? There will be just increasing the knowledge that how these planets have been formed, why Earth is the only planet harbor intelligent life, right? Harbor means house of लिविंग बींग्स। यहाँ अर्थ पे ही अभी तक लिविंग बींग्स क्यों है, मार्स पे क्यों नहीं है, या पहले कभी थे या आगे हो सकते हैं? सो दिस ऑल थिंग्स कैन बी आंसर्ड विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस सैटेलाइट. Who knows, perhaps this satellite will help us to find life on the other planet in the universe. There are so many thousands of planets, right? We have our solar system, right? We have 8 planets. This satellite may help us to find the life on the other satellites too. हमको पता चले कि other satellites पे भी life है, right? This can help us. Satellites are carried into space using rockets that fall back to the Earth after they launch the satellite in the space. You can see the picture, right? So satellites they cannot go themselves, right? They need a rocket. So there is a rocket and there is a satellite, and the rocket will launch the satellite. Rocket उसको thrust देगा, push देगा. अगर satellite को push करना है ऊपर, then we need a rocket, high speed rocket. So satellites are carried into the space using rockets that fall back to the Earth after they are launched. एक बार स्पेस में चला गया, then they will not get attracted back because gravitational force अर्थ का एक मतलब एक डिस्टेंस तक है, उसके बाद ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स काम नहीं करता. तो रॉकेट का काम है कि उस ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स के बाहर उस सैटेलाइट को भेजना. राइट नाउ हियर इन 2013, सो दिस इज द स्टोरी हाउ आवर मॉम, राइट, दैट द सैटेलाइट मार्स ऑर्बिटर मिशन मॉम वाज लॉन्च in the orbit of the Mars. So this is all for today. We will see the story in our next video. I hope you are getting interest. This chapter is really interesting for you and you want more knowledge about it. So please be connected and also watch my next video. You have to read the new words and just catch me in the next video. Thank you.